68.14, 68.10. All right. It's a lot of noise going on. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, everybody. We're here a little bit early today because we got the CPI number coming out in a few minutes. Right now, we have a little bid down at 68.05 in the ESs. Market's a little apprehensive before this number comes out. You going to try something, Scalar? I don't mind trying 10. You want to try 10 small and adding it 05? Especially if we spike down before that. We'll do it small. 68.10, 68.05. I am only doing micros today, guys and girls. Good morning, YouTube. 68.05 and 68.10. If we spike down in the ESs. The numbers leaking, guys and girls. Take a chill pill. Let's see, let's go around the horn. Today is a churn and burn at 8:30, yes, so that's what we'll concentrate on early. Unless we get hit on one of these really early. Cancel the short for now. Let's see what gold is doing. Nothing. Give a little breakout off the 200 EMA. Now it's kind of just sitting doing squadushi. What else we got? Silver and Bitcoin is very strong today. Pulling back a little bit now. To be expected. It has been a good week. It's Micro Friday. We are off Monday. Everybody go nice and slow today. Private trading room, you with me? Okay. Chill. Relax. Take it easy. Let's not give back any money, especially early in the day. Relax, don't do it. Churn and burn, baby. Churn and burn. Churn, baby, churn. Disco Inferno. Churn, baby, churn. Churn that mother down. Satisfaction. It came in a chain reaction. Yeah, 8:29 and 30 seconds. We do our little churn and burn for the CPI number. So we got some time. 12 minutes to watch now. I mean, I like a short if we spec up to 38 in the ES is also 65 EMA for now. Let's pop that out there too. Up 12 points at 8:23 or so. We cancel all our orders. 8:20 even. Keep things tiny. We got 638 and 649. So let's see if we get 38 on this Nick Papadopoulos. Boom, 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 boom. Good morning, Josh. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, early birdies. Like I said, we'll give it another 5 minutes. We're going to cancel all our orders. So we get another 8-point spike up from here. We're in business for a little trade. Otherwise, relax. Do a little dance. Make a little love. Get down tonight. Woo! I have to leave at 10:30 this morning, guys and girls. Go to the dentist. You know me, I'm an anti-dentite. Not looking forward to this. Good morning, Augustine. All right, early birds in YouTube. A couple of things. I ain't going to be here that long. We can have visitors next week, so I'll put my email up. Send me an email. We're off on Monday. The future's open Sunday night. I'll open it up for you guys if they are. I think they might be. You guys send me an email. I'll get you into the private trading room next Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and Friday for a little trial. Our freaking masterclass for risk management is loading up It is filling up very quickly. That is a class we are doing one night, 3-4 hours, all on risk management, ATR, how to navigate our futures accounts without blowing them up, automating things. It's going to be insane. And it's only $99. But yeah, send me an email, Vic. We'll talk about it. All right, let's see if we spec up to 38 on this pop up. Let's cancel our buy sides for now. Boop, send me an email. So in like 3 minutes, we'll cancel all our orders and just take a chill pill for the opening, for the CPI. Try to churn and burn it. No stop loss. Your order quantity is going to be 10. Buy 10 at the market, sell 10 at the market. No stop loss. This is either going to work or it's not, Kelly. You're going to try to make 25 ticks or 6.25 points in the ES. Market order long, market order short. Put an order up 6.25 points and down 6.25 points. It either works or it doesn't. I think, what is it, $39 right now? So we could be throwing away $78. Want to grab a couple of accounts, use our code real fast. No, do not do this in a PA account. I repeat, do not do this in a PA account. They will immediately bar you from trading. You cannot churn and burn in a PA account. I repeat, you can never, ever hedge in a PA account. Okay, Jamie? No, no, no. You can't have different positions. You can't have conflicting positions in any two instruments. They will blow you out of the water and never let you trade again. Never, ever, ever. All right. Cancel that. Let's chill. Take the chill pill home. Yep. This is eval only. Eval only. So I'll show you how we're going to do it. Okay. So here is an Apex eval, 10 contracts, 652, 10 contracts, 653. Buy 10 at the market at 8:29 and 30 seconds. Short 10 at the market at 8:29 and 30 seconds. Put an order in up 6.25 points when you're long and down 6.25 points when you're short. There is no guarantee that it's going to work. Yesterday was probably was it yesterday? Cleanest one we ever had. We just went up like 20 points in 2 seconds. Have no other orders out, please. Oh, it was 2 days ago, yeah. Go through your other accounts. Make sure you see I had an order out in one of them. Ha, 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 ha. That's how you blow up without even knowing about it. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. Morning, Elijah. So we are not trading between now and 8:30, guys. Let me fill up my coffee real quick and get ready to rock and roll. Burn that mother down. Rip up, rip down. Now, I usually, depending on where we are, I will, if we keep spiking up, I'm going to hit the short side first. Big rally. Big. 3 minutes to Wapna. See, I would have been shorting at 39. I think it pulled back 2 points before it went up, but no orders. I would have been shorting at 42 on my VWAP. That one would have worked. So if we keep spiking up, not that it might make any difference, but if we're up, I'm hitting the short side first. If we're down, I'm hitting the long side first. Yes, I will call him later. All right, good. All right, where are we? 8:28 and 20 seconds. Whoop, whoop. Now, this is not guaranteed to work, especially if you get real volatile in that last 30 seconds. You can get blown out of the water. So look at that off the VWAP, guys. 6 points. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. 1 minute to Wapna. Again, nothing is guaranteed. Ever. I did this a couple of times, and I did the micros by mistake. 20 seconds to Wapna. Again, guys, you can get blown out in that last 30 seconds. So I try to wait as long as I can. Satisfaction. It came in a chain reaction. We're in. Boom. Qualified on the long side, guys. Churn and burn, baby. All right, now take a chill pill. Let these things do what they got to do. Do not run in to do anything. I heard somebody say churn, baby, churn. Wow, they love it. Trade of 8 down, guys. I can't trade anything. All right. Don't put any orders out. Everybody relax. Everything's frozen. Wah, wah, wah. Yep. Gold. Trade of 8 is down. Just making sure I don't have any orders out. It's working for you? Okay. Good. I heard somebody say churn, baby, churn. Mine went down for a little bit. I tried to throw a short out there at 63. Yeah, just chill. Working, not working. Everybody got a churn and burn, right? Boom. All right. We like a short and gold anyway, guys. Nah, let's let them settle in. We got to let them settle in. Jamie, did you have limit orders to get out of the trade? Johnny got 2 accounts. All right. We are going to relax now, guys, because God knows what's going to happen. Who knows how much of this we're going to hold, how much we're not going to hold. We're not stretched in anything. You guys got 2 accounts? What did you do? Did you do 4 of them? Too long, too short?
No, the Tradevate went offline, so it took profit on one, went offline, and let the other one go all the way up to 8 grand and all the way back. And then when
Good.
Tradevate came back online, it went, "Oh, you're in profit," and qualified them both.
Nice. I had an order out to short it at 62. It's down 15 effing points. Wouldn't take it. Yeah, piece of dog poop. Come on, give it to me
Yeah,
now.
for the record, I didn't get 2 accounts. Everybody else did.
I didn't either.
It is what it is.
I lost $16,000 on the other one. Something like that.
That might be the record.
Let me see. I'll tell you. No, only 6,000.
No, we've seen these snafus ever since they came out with the API and Ninja Trader Prop and how you log into Ninja Matters. It's really gummed up the system, but
Yeah.
it'll work out. This too shall pass.
How about a short in Bitcoin, guys? What do we got? Pivot point? 67,850 MBT. Anyone like that? Up 220 points from here. What's the ATR? 158 points. I like that. I like messing around with this thing. Doesn't cost much. You can average into it. 67,850. I'm going to do it in my other accounts, not this one. 67,850. Boom. I'll average into that one up there. All right. Do we have anything on the short side here, guys and girls? Anybody? 61 was our previous day high. Well, let's go to the videotape. Look at different time frames. 69.03, 68.83, 68.79. Okay, I'm getting there. 68.79. Okay, that's the closest we got. 68.79 on a 1-hour chart. So I love that. We're getting there, but I love it. It means you ask for a payout without 2-factor entity. Yeah, you got to log into your account. All right, so we have 79 in the ESs, unless somebody has a fib before that. Definitely putting that out. Satisfaction came in a chain reaction. All right, anyone like a buy side here, guys, in the ESs? Talk to me, goosies. Talk to me, goosies. Or is it too early to even put something out? Fib at 41. All right, let's take a look. 38 is a bunch of moving averages. You guys want to try that small? Down 10 points real fast. Keep everything tiny, though. I'm not risking more than 50 bucks. 68, 38. Down 10 points. We'll give it a crack. Bump, bump, bump. We got to really let this settle in. Take it slow. Let me look at Netflix. Churn and burn. What is churn and burn? Good question. In Apex and only Apex, they allow you 1 day qualifying, which means if you make $3,000 in 1 day, you'll get an email and go right into a paid account. So churn and burn is getting long in one account, getting short in the other account. And if you make 6.25 points, you have one qualified in 1 day. Boom, chakalaka laka. That's what churn and burn is in a nutshell. Myra, thank you for another great week. You are truly life-changing. David and Scotty. Yeah, there you go. Get Scotty in there. Thank you, Myra. Enjoy the weekend. We're off Monday. Boom, chakalaka. We have a bunch of people, guys and girls, a lot of people that have just been killing it. Absolutely crushing it. Myra's paying off her college fund for her kids. I think she's taken, I don't know, $5,000-6,000 in the last month. Beautiful thing for Myra. Love it. How do you guys navigate the constant rule changes in prop? Yeah, you got to go with the flow. We don't change our strategy at all. No. But again, guys, if you come to our freaking risk management course that we're having on March 4th, we are going to walk you through how to navigate every rule that they have so that we never break any of their rules, including stocks and futures. Yeah, I like the 50K one. I always buy a few PA eval accounts when they're on sale just to have for the churn and burn situations. But that risk management course, guys and girls, it's only $99. Yeah, it's a one-time event that we're doing. Scotty, can you post a link over in YouTube and in here when you get a chance? We'll post a link, guys. It is selling out very quickly. We're not going to have 1,000 people in there. It's going to be limited, but it's $99. You're going to get a recording of it, so you have it forever. We'll be together for 3 or 4 hours. And if you follow all the rules we're going to talk about, you will never blow up an account in stocks or futures using our system also. So get your butts in there for $99. Guys, where do we like a short in gold? Anywhere? Anyone got a gold short? Yeah, this is huge, Enzo. I mean, we got a couple hundred people signed up already. But it's going to be life-changing for a lot of people, especially learning how to navigate these prop accounts. That's what it's all about. I got to check out someone, if they can, in my room. Can you check out the hours for futures on Sunday and Monday? I think they're open on Sunday night. I think. I'll get you the exact what's going on. All right. I like where we are in the ESs. Sunday night and half day Monday. There you go. All right. So I'll open a room, guys, on Sunday night for you guys. Anyone who owns any of our courses, guys and girls, or is a member of our private trading room, we have slow markets every Tuesday night, Thursday night, and Sunday night. Another 10 hours of trading. That's included in any of our courses. Futures course is only $299. That gives you Sunday nights, Tuesday nights, Thursday nights, lifetime mentorship, 7 hours of videos. Boom. There's no discount for $99, guys. No, we'll be here Sunday night. Apex code for the code for Apex is just WSGTA. Scotty, I'm not seeing the link. You want to post it in here and I'll copy and paste it over there? I'm not seeing it in YouTube. Get your butts into this one, guys and girls. Meanwhile, we got nothing to do. Thank you. This is the pre-sale. The price is going to be $199. But this is the pre-sale for everybody. Oh, that is the pre-sale. It'll take you right to this link. And there it is. It'll take you right to that link. 99 bucks. Yep. They don't like you. So get your butts in there. I'll post my email a couple more times for the trading room for next week. For you guys on YouTube. All right. I still like all of our orders. I guess we can get rid of Hood. Freaking 67 was our swing trade in this thing. Now we're just spiking up. Wah, wah, wah. Don't look like that's going to happen. I was kind of hoping for a down day today in the morning. And then looking for a nice spot to get long. Oil just broke above the 200 EMA. I wouldn't do anything here. Oil's a toughie. I tend to stay away from oil. Set up that often anyway. You have something at 2340 in gold? But sometimes they say burn, baby, burn. Oh, nah, yeah, we missed that. I wish we had it out at 2340. Yowza. Where is Bitcoin? Do we still like that short? Yeah, I still like that short if we get up there. It's up 1,000 points. We'll leave it small. All right. Chilling out. Chilla wine did that, girl. Nothing to do right now. I don't see any red on my screen. Not much anyway. Well, the tech stocks are a mixed bag. Meta's down. NVIDIA's, they're not really participating, all the tech stocks. Kind of just sitting. Maybe we get a look. We'll concentrate on our orb now, right? Yeah. Let's get our orb set up. Opening range breakout. 930, 1600, 5 minute. Boom, 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 boom. That could be wackadoodle today, too. We shall see. This is all about patience and discipline, guys and girls. We are had a good year so far. Let's put it that way. Goodyear tire and rubber. I am so not looking forward to the dentist. I am dreading it. I didn't sleep last night. Disgusting. That's my worst nightmare. Satisfaction. Thank you guys for jumping into the masterclass. You will not be sorry. I'll tell you that right now. Trading room. I'm moving you guys over. Be in with us next Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. All right, coming in a little bit. Do we still like 38? I still like 38, guys. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do, Javi. Knock me out, please, and wake me up when you're done. You got it, Vic. And again, guys, you want to hang out next week? Here's my email. We have a lot of people in the trading room that are trading with us from YouTube from last week. Just so you know, guys and girls, you get 1 week. And we'll change up the link. Don't take advantage of our good nature. After the week, you can buy a course, trading room, whatever you want to do. All right, I still like 38 on this pop down. Get rid of that hood. That ain't happening today. Still down 10 points from here. Anyone has anything else anywhere? Gold, silver? Anything? Anything higher in the ESs, lower? We'll give 38 this pop down. Might be a morning to just take a chill pill. Relax. Again, I'm on micros all day. Been a good week. I heard somebody say, burn, baby, burn. Disco Inferno, burn. Maybe for the opening, we'll just take a chill pill and let everything open up. What time? It's only 8:47. We're good. Relax. Anyone got a buy in gold? Let's look. How about 83 in gold on the buy side? Boom. 49.83. MGC. Down 17 points from here. VWAP. We'll give it a shot small. 49.83. And chaka-laka-laka. All right. We're in the middle of everything. Relax. We'll see if anything sets up for trends, and then we'll watch our orb. I heard somebody say, burn, baby, burn. Disco, burn, oh, burn, baby, burn, burn that nothing down. 200 EMA in gold is 92. You want to be aggressive. MB Bitcoin, 65 EMA. 67,039. That's down 200 points. You can try it small. Again, I won't do that in my in this one, but I'll put it out 67,039. Again, don't go crazy in Bitcoin. 67,039. 67,040, we'll call it. Oh, what did I do? Why is it giving me market orders? Oh, I see why. Six, 7,043. Okay. DS is bounced. They're just all over the place, guys. Relax. Relax. Don't do it. Spike around and undo it. Relax. Don't do it. How low do we just got? We just got to 40. This is crazy. Crazy, man. We are all over the place. It's a nice morning to take a chill pill, right? We're wackadoodle crazy, up, down, and sideways. Oh, anyone got any other bright ideas? Let me know. Anyone have any orders out that we don't have? Let me know. Yeah, we'll leave 38. We'll leave it for the opening. It's down 16 points. I mean, we still have plenty of time before the market opens. Chill it out. Boom, 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 boom. Trading room, you're in the private trading room. Yes, next week, guys. I'm putting you in green room trials. Boom. Thank you, Victor. Thank you, Varence. Thank you guys for the masterclass. We appreciate you. Guys, masterclass, you're going to get a recording also. So you'll have it forever. Do, 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 do. I don't know. As we get closer to the opening, maybe we'll just cancel everything. We'll see and let things do their thing. Let them do their thing. It's your thing. What you want to do? I can't tell you what I'm about to do. Gold. We got any shot at gold? Yeah, we'll leave that for a couple minutes. Keep our eyes on gold. It's about 17 points. Still good. Nobody can trade gold in Apex, Top Step. Well, you might be able to on Top Step like 2 micros, but the reason they don't let us trade gold anymore on the prop firms is too many people with making too much money. They were YOLOing into gold and making 50,000, 100,000. They're trying to claim it's a risk management from the CME. That's nonsense. Bottom line is they got dinged up from a lot of people who took a lot of money from them and they stopped it, all prop firms. Biblical's locked out already on one account, $800 profit. There you go. That's what we love to see. I would turn off my machine and go home. $800 on a Friday. See you later, alligator. Done. Done and doneer. Satisfaction. It came in a chain reaction. I'll leave the Bitcoin out for the opening too down there. I think you know what we'll do, guys, for the opening? We'll cancel our orders and trade the orb. That makes sense to everybody in the trading room? Some ones? We don't have to risk anything on the opening, and we'll just trade our orb. End the story, right? That's it. We'll leave these orders between now and the opening, if we get them. Might get a little 1-minute Momo setting up here. There's a 1-minute chart. See how many times we tested these levels. Boom, 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 boom. London calling in the edge of the town. Down by the river. Ooh, I like the London orb. That was nice. What was that? ESs are gold. Very nice. Oh, the news in ES today. Okay. I just closed my freaking order box. Satisfaction came in a dress. So we just got the 1-minute Momo was like 59. It hasn't really done anything.
Oh my God. Morning. Sorry. I was at the doctor. How are you, baby?
You're always at the doctor.
I spend way too much time there, but
hold on. Oil. Give me 1 sec, Pete. We're all good. We already had a good morning. We're good. Got a turn.
What do we trade? What are we trading?
We just traded the CPI news.
Gotcha.
There's your 1-minute breakout in the ES. Go ahead, Pete. All yours. We got our orders of good guys out there. Everybody take a chill pill.
Cool. Awesome. And you got the SPY. How's that SPY this morning a little bit? So, good morning, everybody.
They like the CPI.
Awesome. I love it. Good morning, everyone. It's me, Peter Tuchman, Einstein of Wall Street. Welcome to Trade the Opening Bell with David Green and the team. It is, you're in the right place. If you want to learn to trade futures, you're in the right place. Go check out WSGTA.com. That is our new website, super consumer friendly. We have a brand new course on futures. Go check that out. It's accessible, affordable, and fun. We've got all kinds of, there's a lot of free stuff. There's a lot of pay to play stuff with us. If you want to learn to trade, then you're in the right place. Okay. So that's number one. Secondly, we are in the ending second week of February. It's been a pretty controversial week, I have to admit, in lots of different ways. For the first time, We started last Thursday. We saw that big breakdown in the market, which kind of caught everybody off guard. It was basically the economic data is starting to trickle in. Some of it's fresh data and some of it's old data, right? Everybody remembers November, right? We had a government shutdown. And then there was just no access to all that government data that the Federal Reserve uses to to make their decisions, right? I mean, it's some of the most important stuff like today, CPI, PPI, CPE, consumer expenditure, non-payroll farm numbers. I mean, unemployment, inflation numbers. These are the things that the Federal Reserve uses to determine how they're going to position themselves in the interest rate cutting cycle, which is where we are at the moment. And according to what happened in November, when the probability of an interest rate cut for December spiked down and spiked up, a lot of the major players have very interest rate sensitive portfolios. And that's why that is probably that and tariffs are probably the biggest catalyst to this market going up or down. Well, last Thursday, after sort of a little bit of a roller coastery first couple of days of February, we're seeing huge volume, right? 1.5 billion every day since the beginning of February on the NYSE, which is 300 million more than usual. That's 30%. So that's significant. That means that people are there's money being allotted in the beginning of every month. You should all know this, that in the beginning of the month, they usually see a spike in volume, right? Mutual funds, institutions, hedge funds start allocating money, right? People who put money into the market every month for like dollar cost averaging, there's that flush of all fresh money coming in. So that's one thing you're going to see. You're going to see a spike in volume in the beginning of months. But now we are now 2 weeks into this month. Well, I guess, yeah, we are 2 weeks into it. And we're seeing an average of 1.5 billion, which is a sizable increase, 30% in volume. So to me, that kind of means, and then another thing, which I always talk about, which is, is in my world, is the advances versus declines, right? David is going to teach you how to trade. He's going to teach you about risk management. Scotty and Kevin and Ken, they're going to teach you about psychology of trading. What I'm going to teach you about is why the market does what it does on a daily basis, where these moves come from. What is it that's moving the market, right? And then once the market moves, price action and technical analysis are the two reasons that David uses and everyone at Wall Street Global uses to determine your entry point and your exit point, right? I mean, that's the key. That's the wonderful partnership that we have, right? I will explain to you why the market's doing it, and I'll give you an overview of the economics of it all. And then David and the team will help you learn about risk management. Guys, everybody should go check it out on March 4th at 6 p.m. We are having a risk management masterclass. Okay, go check it out. There's a link in my Instagram bio. There's a link in the website bio, WSGTA.com. This is a masterclass on risk management. If you're in Apex, we will help you learn how to get funded and stay funded. If you're not, we're going to teach you about the ATR, the average true range. We're going to teach you about all that stuff. At the end of the day, anybody can be taught. David says this over and over. Anybody can be taught to hit a button. It's what you do when you get into the trade that matters. Okay. And risk management is the key. If you look, consistency leads to prosperity. Discipline and consistency are the keys to the castle and becoming a successful trader. Everybody needs to know that you've got to put in the work. Okay. This does not come easily. In fact, 80 to 90% of people who try it do not succeed in this. So we want you guys all to be guys and girls. We want you to be the exception to the rule. So, we have a regular masterclass on equities and futures next Wednesday at 8 p.m. You can register now, right? It's a link in my bio and a link in the website bio in the WSGTA.com website. Go register for that. It is live and it is free. And we're going to be talking about everything we talk about, technical analysis, risk management. And then on March 4th, we are having a masterclass just on risk. Scotty's going to be there and the whole team are going to be there teaching you about risk and understanding that you're willing to risk $50 to make 200, right? What are you willing to risk to make some money in this game, right? That's it. It's a probability game. Right. And so you've got to just be in every trade that sets up. You have to know what to do when you get in the trade. You can't get emotional about money. So that's a little bit of the homework. After that, let's just talk about the last couple of days. So that last Thursday, we had that crazy sell-off based on jobs numbers, which are the worst since the Great Recession. Okay, and that sort of took the market off by a bit of a storm. That was last Thursday. Everybody thought the market was going to really start to seriously break down, and then we came in on Friday, and there was that crazy Dow Jones Industrial Average boost. We got up to 50,000, and it was like off to the races. Now everybody needs to know. David will say that the Dow is only 30 stocks. It's not that significant. In the end of the day, it isn't that significant. However, it's significant if you look at it juxtaposed against the S&P 500. Right? The S&P 500 is 500 stocks in a basket that include tech, include everything. If you are an investor, right, the S&P gives you full exposure and footprint into the whole market and the whole economy of the United States and the world. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was the first index, right? It's got Triple M, UNH, Pfizer, Amazon. It's got Apple. It's got some tech names, but originally it's just kind of the Union Pacific. It's got basically that early Buy America. It's got the industrials in it. So what has been going on? Why has there been so much pressure on the tech, and there's been this crazy rally in the Dow, right? Because we got above 50,000 last Friday, and we had 4 days up until yesterday. 4 days where we had broken 50,000. We stayed above it up until yesterday. Yesterday was a bit of a breakdown, right? Yesterday was a very broad-based selling. Okay, and so look, maybe today we're going to get a little bit of a bounce back. Often when you close at the lows of the day, you do see a gap down in the morning, and I would beware of that this morning. CPI numbers were better, so then market may not react that way, but that's what often happens. When you close at the low of the day, you'll often see a gap down and then a little bit of a capitulation, which is sort of a fast and furious sell-off, getting to a point where you start to find some buyers. Okay, but the other possibility is when at the end of a day like yesterday, where we were down 110 handles, when you see people start to scoop stock up at the end of the day, that kind of signifies, you know what, maybe we're hitting a little bit of a double bottom or a little bit of support, and then so that we come in the next day and we start to bounce back. All that being said, either of these things could happen. It is a Friday. It is the middle of the month. The earnings have been disappointing. We've got some economic data besides CPI that has been disappointing. People are very impatient about this AI trade, right? So that's sort of the overriding cloud that's covering us at the moment, is that this AI trade. It's real. It is a revolution. It's here to stay. That's the fact. But the bottom line is the whole thing about data centers and the energy behind data centers and all that. The timeline is being pushed out by the big players. And the fact that people are getting impatient, the investors are getting impatient. They want what they want when they want it, and it's not happening fast enough for them. So they're dumping some of those things and getting into industrials. That's where the rally in the Dow comes from. Anyway, you know what? I will pass it back to Dave. Dave's going to take you through the day trading mastery that he does better than anybody in the world. Come and check us out on March 4th, 6 p.m. A class on risk management. Come out next Wednesday. Register. It's live and free. Now, the risk management is $99. You got to register. Limited space available, so go register for that right away. And the master class next Wednesday is live. It's free and it's the best. So, Dave, back to you, kid.
Got it, Pete. Thank you. All right, guys and girls, we're kind of hanging in Noah's land here. Let's go over our orders, make sure we like what we like. Putting the link for the masterclass in if you guys want. My email, guys. Get into our trading room next Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That doesn't cost anything. Love to have you guys visit for a week. Take advantage of that. Hang out with us for a week. All right, let's go over our orders. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. Oil, I would not bother with oil. Someone posted oil, I would not bother with it. ESs, we're going to come up to 42 on the opening. No, we're not. We're going to cancel our orders if we get closer to the opening, and then we'll just play our orb. So we can get rid of 79. That ain't happening. Let's put out 42 for now. Our 200 EMA. We spike down 12 points between now and the opening. We like that. It is Take It Easy Friday. Nobody be in a hurry to do anything. Take a nice fat chill pill, and let's see what the cat drags in. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. Relax, don't do it. Is there futures for Ethereum? Oh, I'm on the 1 minute. Duh, Nick. All right. So let's come up to 43, down 10 points if it happens fast. Otherwise, we're going to cancel everything for the opening. That is a previous day low. That is VWAP. That is a bunch of stuff. That is down 10 points from here. We get that before the opening. We're good. Bum, 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 bum. Chop, 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 chop. Let's cancel gold for the opening now and just relax. Everybody got a churn and burn this morning to start the day. That's good. It is Friday. I am on micros, me personally. It's been a very good week. It's been a very good 2 weeks. It's been a very good month. It's been a very good 2 months. I am not in a hurry, guys and girls, to do anything. Taking a chili. Satisfaction. It came in a chain reaction. I said, if we get 43 before the opening, we'll give it a crack. Let's pop down. Billy got a churn and burn in. Very nice. Likey, likey. And again, I am on micros for the rest of the day for myself. You guys do the voodoo that you do. That is the 30 EMA and the 65 EMA. Both. It's both. And again, we want it on this pop down. It's only 908, so good if we get there in the micros. Bitcoin, 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 Bitcoin. Nothing, nothing, nothing. BMN on, nice rally. Spiders coming in a little bit. Hood. Nice rally, not doing anything. I heard somebody say, burn, baby, burn. Disco Inferno, burn, baby, burn. Burn that mother down. All right, 43 on this pop down, guys. Bum, bum, bum. I am leaving. Thank you, DG. Volunteers, my love, wishing you a sweet week. You too, Sabrina. Enjoy. Enjoy. This pop, guys. Otherwise, we take a chill pill. No. Let the market open. I heard somebody say, burn, baby, burn. Disco Inferno, burn, baby, burn. Burn that mother down. Satisfaction. We'll give this another minute, literally. Otherwise, we're going to relax. Ten seconds. Oh, you stink. You rat mother jumper. Can. Gosh darn it. All right. That would have been a nice 5-pointer, guys. We got the 44.75. Now we are just waiting for the opening. That's it. Unless we get a double bottom or something stupid. You rat mother jumper. We missed it by 2 points. We spiked up 5 points. Happens. We probably miss more trades than we do, guys and girls. But that's our technicals. We're never going to run into anything. It'd be what it be. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, 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 wah. Look at that. 8 points. 8-point Tavos. Double bottom came close and missed, but it's still valid. Double bottom. Oh, all the way down here? Yeah, we would do that for the opening. But again, we're going to trade our orb for the opening. Take a chill pill. Gold, what's gold doing? Spiking up again? I got nothing in gold. 50.02 is a level to get above, which we did. We'll definitely do a double bottom if it happens before the opening. 30-minute 200 in gold. All right. Ooh. 50.26. Up 10 points from here. I want to give it a crack, Nivea. Small. I'm down with that. Yeah, let's give it a crack if we do it fast. Why isn't it switching? Oh, I know why. Green. Just pop up. This Nick Papadopoulos. And again, I'm on micros, taking it nice and easy. We just got to 22. Give it one more minute. Give me a break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar. Bitcoin coming in a bit. I like the 200 EMA in Bitcoin. 66,809. Leave it out. Gold, you stink. Got you, Dane. Yeah. Kind of want to. I bet you it still works, but it just went to 29. Would have lost 3 points to make 5 points. All right, good. Get your profits right out, Brian. Got 5 points on it. Beautiful. There it is, guys. 26 to 20. 5 points. Why'd we cancel? Josh, you got a couple of banana skins. Good. What's your opinion on single stock futures? I'll trade them. I will definitely trade single stock futures. It'll be the same technical analysis that we use now. Oh my God, 10 points in gold. Really? Let's leave out 49.85 in gold for the opening. The only thing I'll leave out on the opening, guys, is stuff like 30, 40 points away from where we are now. Well. All right. Relax. Bunch of people got gold, except me. All good. All good. Look at me. As helpless as a kitten up a tree. All right, let's see if we got anything else in gold. That was a great find in gold there. I don't know how you found that. 30-minute 200 EMA. Wow. And it was the 100, 1 hour. And that was it. That was the last bastion of resistance. Cool. Oh, we'll wait for an 80 RSI in gold. Like that. Get spiked all the way up. Look at me. Otherwise, guys, we're just going to play our the orbital. All right. Let's take a stretch out break, back in 5 minutes. Something to look at on the opening Jorge, maybe, but we're just going to concentrate on the orb. BRB. Can only trade gold in our personal accounts, guys. It's my interactive broker, so I can trade gold in here. You cannot trade it on any prop firm in any kind of size anyway. But there are people who are in my room that trade gold on their personal account, so we look at it. Correct. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get set on our orb. My dental appointment got moved from 11 to 12, so I can hang out a little bit longer. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Only thing I have out is gold if it pulls back 30 points, and Bitcoin. Actually, I'm canceling Bitcoin. Who gives a shit about Bitcoin? Make sure we got the orb set. Yes. 9:30, 1600, 5 minutes. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Yeah, I got it. Oh, yeah, you're right. Let me see. Yeah, I like the gold. If we pull back to 90, what is it? Call it 95. It's the only thing I'm leaving out for the opening. Judy likes a dentist too. I can't stand it. Can't stand it. We're getting 80 RSI in gold. Will look.
Good morning. Good morning. A quickie. I'll tell you guys, there's really nothing here. We're down in hot lot, right on the SPY. And there is only $100 million for sale. So it is completely a non-event here for the opening bell. So my gut is you won't see anything really major. It's not going to dislocate on the upside or the downside base. You know, we've talked about this before. You guys are, if you're new, you don't know this, but
you got 1 minute because we got to get ready for the
Yep.
open.
So right now, 100 million for sale. I'll come in after the opening, guys.
Thank you, buddy. All right, guys and girls. That's it. We watch our orb. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Again, guys, take it easy Friday. We got a nice churn and burn. Maybe we get an 80 RSI in gold. Yeah, I'm putting out 50.76 in gold if we spike up 50 points on the opening. Boom. Yeah. I heard somebody say, burn, baby, burn. That disco inferno, burn, baby, burn. Full port the opening. I'm on micros all day. Everybody pick their own poison. Bandstand, bandstand, bandstand. Oh, Nelly. What should we full port? Everything. Just push the button. Push the button in everything and anything. Banana. Oh, tired. Don't we have 79 in ESs to whatever? Let's let them open. Let them open. Orb it out. 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 Boom, boom, boom. 68.50 is a fib. I'm down with that. Let me guess, 68.50. Boom. If we go fast, we got a fib there. Only the MESs. For me. For you, for me. let our orb set up. So we have our opening range breakout set. We wait till 9:35, see if we can break the top or the bottom of the orb if it hasn't moved too much. $58 is good for a short if we spike up there in the minis, small, micros. My apologies. Oh, 68.50. Yeah, you're right. Not bad. Duh. 68.68. Chris, you had 58. And we only got the 56. Yeah, chill. Chill, man. Could get a break out of the orb, but we still got 3.5 minutes till it sets up. So everybody relax. Ding, 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 ding. All right, 2.5 minutes for orbation. Right now, both are looking good, right? If we sit right here, break out of the top of the orb and a pull back to the bottom of the orb, both look good in the ESs for the moment. 68.68. Yeah, we got a short out there. Right now, it looks like we can try the bottom of the orb. We still got a minute and a half. Gold is just ripping. Gold. Gold struck gold. Burn that mother down. Orb is about set up. Again, I'm on micros all day, guys and girls. Bottom of the orb is 42. Let's put it out. I ain't risking more than $100 today. I don't know. It might be a better short on the bottom of the orb now. What are we doing, Scotty? I don't know what to do. You still try to buy it on this pop? What are we shorted? Help. Help. So we do nothing? Nah, we should have done nothing. It was a better short. Yeah, happened too fast. Want. Just get out, break even. Got a little profit. Ooh, got a lot of profit. I bought the bottom. You guys shorted the bottom. We made money on both. That's funny. All right, take a chill pill now. It broke 42, it went to 38. Then it went from 42 to 46. That's too funny. Let's take a chill pill. That was lucky. Lucky. All right, get rid of that. Get rid of that. Yeah, I'm looking at gold now. Definitely a possible trend setup, right? Well, what's the bottom of the orb and the trend is both 50-15. So let's put that out. Small. If we go fast, 50-15 gold for those who can trade it. I don't know what to do in the ESs now, guys. I guess it's still a better short if we break the orb, right? I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm confused. Boo, boo, boo. Well, we want to short the top of the orb. That is for sure. 59. All right. It was a better break of the orb again if anyone grabbed it. Quick 3-4 points. Very nice. I think we just missed gold, guys. I think we want to cancel gold. God damn it. I mean, gosh darn it. Got to 16. So let's put out 50.04 in gold. Good short of the break of the orb, guys. Very nice. Fish, you got a fib at 31.50. Let's do it. Yeah, a couple of nice trades. Could be done for the day. Very nice. 31.50 fib in the MESs. You got the gold. It got the 15. Yeah, it did. 14.20. Boom. Couple of points. All right. Look, usually when we come close to something, we cancel it. So it's all right. If you got it, you got it. It's a good, damn good morning already. Vish has 68.31.50. $68.31.50. Okay. It's good. Gold, how about 50.04 now, right? Down 12 points from here. For those who can trade it. 50.04. Done for the day. There you go. That's what I like to see. Well, I would say, guys, if you made any decent looking money this morning, just go home. See if we get gold on this pop down. 50.04. I heard somebody say, burn, baby, burn. Disco Inferno, burn, baby, burn. Burn that longer down. ESs are getting crushed. Wow. Holy mackerel. Whoa, everything's getting crushed, guys. Be careful. Take some profits in gold. Take more profits in gold. Out of gold. We got stopped out of the MESs. Okay, we're just doing the MESs. Relax. Made some money in gold. MES, 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 stop out. Out. Bump, 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 bump. Oh, gold, we should have waited for the 95, but we made a couple of bucks in gold. Made a couple of bucks. We got volatility, guys. You wanted it, you got it. Take a chill pill. I say we relax. I don't know what the hell I want to do here. Take a chill pill. They don't know what they want to do here. Relax. Don't do anything. Look for other levels. We're nice and green. Take a chill pill. This is newsy. Yeah, ES is far from moving out. Oh, ES is, guys, 68.05, and then we can look far from moving average. Put one out. Nice and small. We're getting there. Actually, I just like 68.05, guys. Do it small. Again, I'm just doing the MESs. Small. Get the 05 on this pop. Again, I'll have a stop order. I'll risk 50 bucks. Keep it small. You got 6,800. Not a far from moving average trade yet. 05 on this pop down. Far from moving average on the video. And this feels newsy to me, guys, so I think we should just chill out, baby. Relax. 05 would have been gorgeous. What just missed? The ESs? MESs? Whatever the hell it is. We got to 0875. Yep, we certainly did just miss. All right, take a chill pill. What a rally now. Crazy, man. I didn't see the 68.10. Who had 68.10? 68.10 was gorgeous. Do we want to show at the top of the orb, bottom of the orb here, guys? Again, anything we do, we're taking it easy, but yeah, let's try 43. Okay. Small. Everything small, guys and girls. Take it easy. We got to go to the 15-minute orb, all right? $43 on this pop up. Wow, this market is insane. Unbelievable. Thank God we're only on the micros. What an insane move. Oh, stopped out. This is insane. Yes, top of the orb, guys. Or the 200 EMA, one or the other. What's the top of the orb? 59? We'll try. Looking out my back door. Thank God we're on micros. That's all I have to say. $59 on this pop. I'm just adding a little bit up here at 59. Keep everything small, guys. This is insane. Cover, 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 cover. Cover, cover, cover. Cover, cover. Oh my God. Where the hell? I can't buy it. Why won't it let me cover? Jesus Christmas. Everybody good with 59? Bang it. 5 points. That was nice. Okay, good. Got all our money back. Take a chill pill. That went down 7 points from there, right? I was too slow to, I couldn't even get it in my machine in time. It's okay. Stay on the micros. It's all good. What do we like now, guys and girls? I was too slow, Tyler. I couldn't get in there and cover it. I would have made like $300. Crazy. Insane. Wow. All right, everybody should be a little green after that. 59 was gorgeous. Now what, guys? Give me something. 69 double top. All right, let's do it. 69, 69. Boom. I heard somebody say, guys, people are blowing up accounts left and right. We're a little bit green. How's everybody sitting today now? Little green, small. Yep. Everybody. Little red. You could be a little red too. Yeah, this is the Wild West. Didn't I change my orb? Nobody should be big anything. We're trading micros. Thought I changed the orb. Yeah, I got it. Wah, wah. Wah, 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 wah. I'm a scared little boy. Yes, we said micros. You could be a little red this morning. Probably are. It's fine. Relax. It was a micro kind of day. That's cool, Pete. Don't trade. Buy the bottom of the orb. You would think so. It's 40 points away. But yes. Crazy, man. This volatility is just insane. Insane. Bum, 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 bum. 68. Yeah, yesterday it was 69. Forget it. We're canceling it now anyway. All right, let's put out the bottom of the orb. Screw it. 69.10. All right. Yeah, well, either side of even a little green, a little red. But we're surviving this craziness. Oh, come on. I just bought it at the market. Oh my God, I am so bad. Oh, I suck. Oh, I know. What are we saying? Where do we want to be? 6808, 6810. Let's see if I can put it in right. There we go. Boom chakalaka laka. Satisfaction came in a chain reaction. 6820 is a little fib level. Let's try it small. That's down 17 points. I'm down with it. A boom, a boom. Did everyone at least heed my advice and take it small today with the micros? Give me some ones. So nobody should be hurting. If you're red, you shouldn't be down more than 50 bucks or 100 bucks. Right? Take it easy. Been too good a week to give back money. We'll try, what we say, 20? Someone had 20, right? Fib, we're trying it. 6820. Boom. Keep posting fibs, guys. I'm only trading micros myself today for the whole day. That's me personally, guys. You guys do what you want. Yep, I'm small on everything. Taking a chill pill. Yeah. Well, what's the ATR? The ATR is 12 in the ESs. So there you go. That's at least twice the normal range. At least. Probably 3 times the normal range. Right? It's usually 4 or 5. We're in the middle of nowhere's land now, guys. So everybody take a chill pill. Need to pick up and restock some more chill pills over the weekend. Always good to have them on hand. $68.81. Love it. Love it. Again, I'm looking for a 15 or 20 point move now, guys, before we get involved in anything. Okay. The ATR is 10. Let's get a 20 point move before we do anything. How about them apples? Still at 68.68. I'm down with that. I like it, Jazz. Small. Vish has 68.21 on the downside. Yeah, we're there, Vish, basically. Good. Looking out my back door. Micro man, guys. Whack. Whack out. Bump, 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 bump. 67.96 below that. Okay. Down with that. Cancel the 68 for now. We back down to the 20. Bump, 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 bump. All right. 67.96 below. Good. Gold's not doing anything. What a wackadoodle Friday. 69.10 is the bottom of the orb. Yes, we like that. But we got a little fib at 20. If we spike down 14 points, we'll try it small. Anyone interested in
Hey, lovely, how's it going?
break out to the upside of the 5
Good.
minute?
Okay, have you,
Yeah, again, we are extremely volatile right now, Bull. So, for us to get to the top of the orb again, we have to go up 15 points from here. I'm not buying a breakout up 15 points from here. I can't do it. So if we don't hit the 20 in a couple of minutes, we'll go down to the bottom of the orb. Take a choice. Someone trying to talk? It sounds like Peter's trying to say something.
There you go. Hi, guys. Gotta take.
Is that Peter?
I was talking into a mute machine. What's up? Damn phone. Thanks, Rich. So anyway, guys, so you know what? Look, it's Friday. You guys are usually probably done trading really, probably early. I know David does that. Fridays are sort of tend to be, look, the wonderful thing about this is
Risk off Fridays.
Risk Off Fridays, exactly. I was just talking to a bunch of students from Worcester Polytechnic or something, and they're all on Apex. It was literally amazing. It was this crew of like 40 kids, and they're studying there, and they're all on Apex trading. And, the whole one thing that they all talked about is risk, right? And that's why they all just registered for our masterclass. I just had them on the website registering for Wednesday, and hopefully buying the risk masterclass that we have on March 4th. At the end of the day, risk is the name of the game, right? And that's why we have Risk Off Fridays. Fridays are a hard day, right? They can be, we're going to see people position themselves. This week, people are starting. We had the VIX were up 28% yesterday, right? So you're starting to see a little bit of fear in this market. You're starting to see a bit of liquidation. Yesterday was 2.5 to 1. declines versus advances. That means for every 2.5 stocks that were being sold, only one was being bought, right? And that's why I always talk about advance versus declines, because that's important. That shows you whether people are getting out of one sector and into another, which is rotational. And then sometimes it's people just getting out of the market. And yesterday was the first day where we had a broad-based enough sell-off where people are starting to pull some money out of the market. But you know what? Look, it was not a big follow through this morning, right? We did not see that gap down. We did not see that capitulation. So, maybe yesterday was a one-off, but you know what? People could be, Fridays are funny days, right? Things just start happening or after noon, when the flow comes in. But we've seen a huge volume increase since the beginning of February. And so, I think everyone needs, you guys all are the retail revolution, right? There are 50 million plus traders that came in around COVID. A lot of them got their butts kicked, right, with the meme phenomenon. Many of them came back, and now retail is smart money, right? You guys are all studying this market, right? You're putting in the time, and so that's really important. Yeah, retail revolution, Nick. It's a huge, right? It turns out it's one of the things I do. I analyze where is retail spending their time.
Hey,
It was
guys, one second. No orders,
Okay.
guys and girls. Go ahead, Pete. We got nothing, guys. Everybody take a chill pill.
It turns out that in February, March, and April, when we were in that self-inflicted sell-off caused by the tariffs and the El Presidente, it was retail buying the market. In February, March, and April, it was not retail selling it because they did not know what to do. They were buying that dip, and they were also buying the dip in November. So it's turned out that those that came back after they got their butts kicked in during the meme phenomenon in 2020, the retail audience that came back are now studying. They're doing Apex. They're doing any of the other firms, right? They're trading in prop firms. They're studying futures markets, and they're making money, and they're doing it. David and I were just down in Hollywood, Florida, at a conference. They're an amazing group of young people making money trading this market. So at the end of the day, everybody, at the end of the day, you put in the work, you can do this successfully. But the risk is the key. Anybody can be taught to hit a button, right? It's what you do when you get into the trade. So, we're happy you're all here. Trading the opening bell is an absolute gift, right? It's so intimidating. People who've been doing this for a long time still sit down at their machine in the morning and they're just intimidated by the market. They don't really know what to do. So having David and the team on Mondays and Fridays trading the opening bell, we're here every Friday and Monday on Wall Street Global YouTube. So come check that out. Also, we've got a master class next week. There's a link in my bio. There's a link in the Wall Street Global website for a masterclass on technical analysis and trading in this wild, volatile market next Wednesday. It's free. It's live. It's 8 p.m. on Wednesday. You got to register. Go check it out. And then we've got a risk masterclass on March 4th at 6 p.m., which is selling out rapidly. So if you want to get in it, go and grab it while you can. So anyway, right now we're down 17 handles on the SPY. I don't really see, there's not a lot of flow at post-market opening, right? As I said, there was only 100 million to sell on the opening. So there was not a lot. Very often, we had it the other day when I was on, I think it was Monday, and we had, I don't know, it was a couple 100 million to buy pre-market. And and I said to everybody, watch out, the market's going to open and pop because of that flow that came in for the opening bell. And sure enough, that's what the market did. Today, there was no pop. There was no sell-off even. It was just sort of a nothing burger. And that's kind of why the market, you guys are all in chill pill mode with Dave. So anyway, I wish you all the best. If you're done trading for the day, if you made a little bit of money, turn your machine off. You do not want to overtrade, right? Do not give back the profits you made in the morning. That's the rule of thumb, right? Never turn a winning day into a losing day. Never turn a winning trade into a losing trade. Know when to stop trading when you're making money. Know when to stop trading when you're losing money. Those are David Green's 10 commandments of love and trading. So check them out. I'll pass it back to you, Chief.
Thanks, Pete. Yeah, we're on either side of break even today. It's very small either way. All right, a couple of things I'm going to post for you guys. Okay, here is the link to the masterclass. Jump in there for $99, please. Here is my email. Guys, send me an email. I'll get you into the trading room next Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay.
Hey, Dave, is there a coupon code for the risk management masterclass?
No, there's no coupon code. Just go.
Oh, okay. Just because it puts like a coupon code box in there when you go to checkout. So I thought I'd ask.
Why? What do you mean coupon code?
Yeah, if you want to buy the risk management class.
Yeah.
It says It has a little box that says coupon code, but that's okay. If you don't have it, that's okay. I just thought I'd
No,
ask.
there is no coupon. We're not discounting a $99 course.
Yeah, I didn't think so. Damn.
No. All right, so I posted that for you guys on YouTube. I posted my email for you guys on YouTube. Did I lose YouTube? Come on. We still on YouTube? Guys, are we still on YouTube? Someone tell me if we're on YouTube. I don't know if I lost it or not. Scotty, anyone? Are we still broadcasting in YouTube? Nobody knows. Can you guys hear me? Check 1, 2, 3. Check 1, 2, 3. Check 1, 2, 3. You see me on there. Okay. How do I find it? Let's see. How do I find it? No, I gotta get back on somehow. What is that? I gotta hit Control X, Z, Y to bring up my stuff. Tab. Extra. Alt. Tab. What the hell is tab? Oh, there it is. Yeah, I don't have it up here. It's weird. Everything but. Whatever. We're there, YouTubes. I'll get rolling. All right, we got no orders, guys and girls. This is wackadoodle. Stupid. For the moment, let's take a chill pill. Anybody have any orders out? No orders. Good. Everybody chill. Let me get Roman to get my YouTube back. I don't know what. I can't see it. I can't see it. Good. Today was a day where you didn't have to train. I would try to top of the orb and the ES is small. Excuse me. If we get up to 68.59. It says free masterclass tonight. Are you shitting me? And then it says February 18th. I know. Give me a minute. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. I would try to top of the orb small if we go there fast, guys. Or maybe a double top. Wait for a double top. Just be really conservative. This is whack. Whacked out, baby. I mean, we just went up 28 points. That crazy? It's insane. Maybe it's best we don't trade today. What do you think of them apples? Jeez, Louise. Tariff talk now? Yeah, this is just crazy. Keep my hands off the buttons for a while. Right? It's insane. I think we're better off just not trading right now. I don't have YouTube here. It's weird. Everything but YouTube. I am. I wish I could share my screen and show you guys. But I can't move this. Here, I'll show you. Hold on. Share. Screen 1. Let me show you guys when I do this. Tell me if you can see it. You guys see that now? You see it? That screen? Give me a one if you, yeah, okay. So you tell me where YouTube is. I don't see it. Come on. Where'd you see it? Trade of 8. I don't see it anywhere.
Dave, it's literally there. So, oh, you go back. Beside the economic calendar is there, just there.
Besides what?
So it's in between your Twitter and your news thingy. Is there just in it?
What Twitter? What? I don't
If you
see.
go back to the other bar option, the other dock, that's it. That's it. At the top, down, no, down. Where there's Trinivate, where you see the website, then come down. So you see you live streaming. That's
Oh,
it.
yeah,
Live
yeah,
streaming.
yeah. Nah, you see, I'm not on though. I don't know how to hook up again. I see it streaming. Let me see if I go in. No. See, I can't get it for some reason. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Oh,
I'm
you got
back.
it. Yeah, sweet.
Boom. You went for the upside breakout of the orb. I mean, you might have got a couple of points at it real quick. Right? It looks like it broke out for a couple of points on the upside. What was it? 59, and we went to 64. Yeah, that worked, guys. You got 5 points out of that. Yep. Good job. Good. I'm kind of thick and hands off, guys, wherever we are today. I mean, look, I can hang out for another hour and a half, so we'll see what happens. But this is just too much volatility, if even for Mr. Green Jeans. Too much. Too much for me. Oh boy. Crazy, man. Living la vida loca. All right, anybody got any orders out? This is whack. Okay, guys, a couple of YouTubers there is to check out. for our masterclass. Send me an email, guys and girls. Get into the trading room next week. Okay. We are off on Monday, so I'll take a chill pill. We got no orders. I will survive. Hey. Damien, not trading today. I asked a few times, but I changed my up to 9:45 to not show that big. If interested, take a look. Does this fit in? Okay. I asked a few times. I changed my org to 9:45. You mean you changed this to 9:45 and you saw something? Let's see. I don't know. Let's look. It doesn't show this spike down? Really? That's weird. Guys, do we like the bottom of the orb? Let me change it back. That's weird because it's going to be different now. Yeah, we're nowhere near the bottom of the orb. Will I be on YouTube Tuesday? Yeah, maybe. Think about it. I might make an appearance Tuesday instead. We'll see. You want us to be on YouTube? We'll be on YouTube. You guys want us to be on Tuesday, YouTubers? You tell me. All right, we'll do YouTube on Tuesday. I'm down with that. YouTube Tuesday. Anyone like anything on the buy side here? $30? What is 30? Fibby? I'm in. Small. 63.30, 68.30. I'm in. Yep, 29.30 is good. All right, so we'll do YouTube on Tuesday. And I'll have some accounts to give away by then. Boom chakalaka. But get into the trading room, guys and girls. Please. You guys don't, not enough of you take advantage of this. Come hang out with us for the week. All right, I'm going to fill my coffee and take a break for 5 minutes, guys and girls. Okay, I'm not leaving any orders out. Take a break for 5 minutes. Everybody relax. I don't have any accounts for today. I'm waiting to get some. Don't have any yet. Yet. But I'll have some for Tuesday. Boom chakalaka laka. Boom chakalaka laka. All right, let's take a 5-minute break. Relax for a few minutes. We'll be back. Yeah, everybody from YouTube can leave now that you're not getting a free account. Taking 5 minutes. We'll be back. All right, guys and gals, again, nice breakout of the orb if anyone got it. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. And Q, you got the breakout of the orb. Nice. Trading your own money is way better than props if you can afford it. I agree. I agree, Enzo. Problem is, not many people can afford it. But I am with you 100%. No question about it. Someone said they got a fib at 78. What happened in NQ? Orb breakout? Yeah. Nice job, everybody. This is just crazy volatile. All right, my YouTubers, we will see you bright and early on Tuesday morning. I'll try to get some accounts for you guys. Last email I'm popping up is mine if you want to get in the trading room next week. Okay. See you bright and early on Tuesday morning. You guys are more than welcome. Crazy, crazy day. Today is about survival, but at least we recognized immediately just to be in chill pill mode. So we're off to the races here. This is wackadoodle. I wouldn't be running in to do anything. 68.80 is the 30-minute 65 EMA. We're getting stretched out here too. 68.80. Let's look. 68.80. 30-minute 5 EMA. Guys, I just don't even, this is crazy. It's crazy to even be trading now. It's insane. This is wackadoodle. All right. You want to try 80? If it does it right now, be my guest. I wait till we get to a far from moving average trade. And then we got 98. I like that. Hood trend trade. Yeah, I guess we're not getting hood at $67, huh? Want, want, want. Yeah, you can trend hood on a pullback. All right, my YouTubers, see everybody bright and early on Monday. Let's hope today's the worst day we ever have and tomorrow's a better day. Thank you for good luck with the dentist. Appreciate it. We will see everybody bright and early on Tuesday morning. Green Jeans is out of here like Vladimir. Over ski and out ski. Peace and love, peace and love, peace and love.